Today I would love to show you the AT9430F Eco, one of our 90cm cooker hoods from our Avantgarde Pro range. It's incredibly powerful with a maximum extraction rate of 1,250 cubic meters per hour when used in air extraction mode, making it the perfect addition to any contemporary British kitchen. The high-grade steel and black beveled glass incorporated into the modern and sleek design make it extremely easy to use and clean. The 3 different speed settings and timer are operated with a single touch, and the internal grease filters are removable and dishwasher friendly. We look forward to welcoming you to our London showroom soon to see this cooker hood in action.